Good morning students, welcome to our mathematics digital class. I am M. Sarita, School Assistant Maths, ZPHS Kondapur, Sirikonda Mandal, Nizamabad District. Today's our topic is progressions, which is a easy and important chapter in 10th class and also having a good weightage in final exams. So children, be ready with pen and notebook to write all the important formulae from this chapter. Let us start our discussion on progressions. It includes different patterns and terms. Let us focus on types of progressions. One is arithmetic progression and other one is geometric progression. So students, first one is arithmetic progression. Here the definition of arithmetic progression is the series of numbers in which the successive term is differ by preceding term by a constant value. For example, 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on. Other example is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the arithmetic progressions. Students, once you observe the following example, so what did you observe? Here first term is 1, the second term is 5. If we add plus 4 to the preceding term 1, we will get 5. In the same way, if we add plus 4 to the 5, we will get 9. In the same process, if we add plus 4 to the 9, we will get the successive term 13. This is the example for arithmetic progression. Here plus 4 is common difference. Let us focus on another example here. In this arithmetic progression, first term is 8, second term is 6. If we add minus 2 to the preceding term 8, we will get the successive term 6. In the same way, if we add minus 2 to the 6, we will get the successive term 4. And the same process going on. Here minus 2 is considered as common difference. So let us observe the general form of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. In this one, A is the first term, D is the common difference. So this is called the general form of arithmetic progression. Students, let us learn how to find the nth term of arithmetic progression. Here A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN, it is a arithmetic progression. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 equals to AN minus 1, that equals to D. Nth term of arithmetic progression AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. In this one, A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of arithmetic progression. Students, let us learn how to find sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Here is a formula. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, Sn equals to sum of n terms and n equals to number of terms. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Students, here one example is there. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 and so on. Solution. Here A equals to 5, that means the first term of this arithmetic progression is 5, and D equals to A2 minus A1, that means 1 minus 5, that equals to minus 4, and N equals to 10. Here is the formula An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. In this formula we have to substitute A, N, D values. So we will get A10 equals to 5 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 4. If we simplify 5 plus 9 into minus 4, that equals to 5 minus 36. At last the 10th term A10 equals to minus 31. Let us observe one more problem here. Find the sum of 10 terms of arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12 and so on. Here the solution 2, 7, 12 and so on. It is the arithmetic progression. In this progression A equals to 2, D equals to A2 minus A1. That means 7 minus 2. So D value equals to 5 and N equals to 10. Here the formula is Sn equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. In this formula we have to substitute all these values. Then S10 equals to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. By simplifying this, 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5, that equals to 5 into 4 plus 45, that equals to 5 into 49. At last S10, the sum of 10 terms equals to 245. Second one is geometry progression. The series of numbers in which the ratio between successive term and preceding term is constant. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. And other example is 5, 10, 20, 40 and so on. These are the geometry progressions. Here the first term is 2 and the second term is 4. If we multiply the preceding term by 2, we will get the successive term 4. In the same way, if we multiply the number 4 by 2, we will get the successive term 8. The general form of geometric progression. AR square, it is a geometric progression and is called a general form of geometric progression. In this one, R equals to common ratio, A equals to first term. Students, let us focus on nth term of geometric progression. A1, A2, A3 and so on AN. It is a geometric progression. In this one, common ratio R equals to A2 by A1 equals to A3 by A2 equals to AN by AN minus 1. Nth term AN equals to A into R power N minus 1. Here A is the first term. Example here, find the 11th term of geometric progression 4, 8, 16. Solution, 4, 8, 16 and so on. It is a geometric progression. So here the first term a1 equals to 4 and a2 equals to 8. R equals to a2 by a1, that equals to 8 by 4, that equals to 2. So we will get R value equals to 2 and n equals to 11. Here an equals to a into r power n minus 1 is a formula. In this formula we have to substitute a and r n values. So we will get a11 equals to 4 into 2 power 11 minus 1, that equals to 4 into 2 power 10. So 11th term of this geometric progression equals to 4 into 2 power 10. Students, up to now we learnt about arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Here some problems are there. So you have to solve all these problems in your mathematics notes.